Hey everyone, Bradley here from Xchange Properties, and today I'm outside of number 93 Furnace Road. This property is a stunning 3-bedroom semi-detached property. The owners have extended this property multiple times, creating over 1,500 square foot of space. Come inside and take a look. This spacious family home offers multiple living spaces. Take a look at this unique kitchen space, complete with granite worktops and tiled flooring. The extended floor plan provides a large dining space and easy access to the conservatory and the garden. The ground floor of this property also contains a bespoke utility room, downstairs toilet and shower room. The first floor of this property offers a family bathroom and 3 spacious bedrooms. So as you can see, this is the ideal home ready for any family to move in. Do you see yourself living here? If so, contact us on the details below.